This is a mega webinar, a major debate or a discussion. It gives me immense pleasure to introduce the best CPA trainer in the world.
Where do I send the check for that wonderful introduction? Best thing about Trump is I've got a lot of DJ mixes, right? So you remember that song, Pump Up the Volume? It's no longer Trump up the volume, Trump up the volume, Trump. And no longer Pump Up the Jam. Remember Pump Up the Jam? It's now Trump Up the Jam. You got to trump it up, don't you know, trump it up. So I like it because it's good for my DJing. There wasn't many DJ mixes with Kamala. Like I couldn't get anything with Kamala, but I had a lot with Trump it up, Trump up the volume.
2025 is the year for CPAs. What are the topics that you would suggest a student must do because these topics are likely to be tested?
They don't want people to gravitate towards something that's not their area.
Some of us at least are wishing it happens, is the CPA CBEP.
We have a course just for the acronyms. My wife just said, go downstairs, do something useful, because your manager might tell you, hey, you know what? 2 months from now, let them go out and find somebody else. Businesses sometimes are viewed negatively, they don't pay their fair share of taxes. But lo and behold, it didn't work out that way. You guys are doing a spectacular job, and there's just tremendous respect across the firms and across the country for the service you all provide. So thank you. It's been invaluable to our profession. If you have a degree in accounting, how could you not get certified? That's like going to law school and then never passing the bar exam. No one would ever do that.